Welcome to the Managing Documents module. In this session, we'll introduce you to Sage CRM document management features. Our goals are to enable you to create documents by merging customer contact details with templates, and to manage your documents using the Customer Library and the Shared Documents tab. The Sage CRM Mail Merge feature enhances your ability to manage your business documents. It allows you to use pre-existing templates for formatting or creating business correspondence, such as letters, quotes, and orders. It also allows you to create templates for similar purposes. Mail Merge also provides you with an efficient method for addressing the documents to one or more customers by merging Sage CRM customer contact details with a selected template. All templates use Microsoft Word Mail Merge technology to pull the appropriate contact data from Sage CRM to create the document. When the contact data has been merged with the template, you manually make any changes required, save the document, and send it to the recipient by the appropriate means. When you create a document using Mail Merge, Sage CRM keeps a copy and records the details of the correspondence. Both are made available in the Communications tab and the Documents tab of the recipient's context and their company's context. Let's say you want to create a fax using a pre-existing template, the Panoply US Fax template. First, you right-click on Find and do a search for the recipient. You can also send documents to multiple users simultaneously. Now you click on the New Document button in the Actions menu on the right-hand side of the interface. Here you select the location of the template you want to merge with, either in shared templates on your CRM database or on your local computer. The system administrator can make templates available to all users simultaneously by adding them to shared templates on the CRM database. If the Merge with a Shared Template radio button is not selected, select it and click on the Continue button. You select the appropriate template by clicking on it. The document appears, and the selected user's contact details are automatically merged with the selected template. You add the content of the Microsoft Word document. Save and close it. Now you send the fax to the intended recipient. You can add a brief description of the document in the Details field, and then you select the Save button. A record of the fax is automatically recorded in the Communications tab of both the recipient's and his company's context. Many customer relationships span a long period of time. This usually results in a high volume of communications and documents passing between you and each customer. The Documents tab in Sage CRM allows you to keep track of these documents. You can link copies of Mail Merge documents in the Documents tab of the Company or Person context for viewing and editing. You can retrieve these documents at a later date for viewing and editing. In addition, you can import copies of any documents generated outside of the system using the Sage CRM Document Drop feature. This feature is available on all Documents and Communications tabs in Sage CRM, as well as on the My CRM Calendar tab and the Team CRM Calendar tab. In the Documents tab of the appropriate view, you right-click the Document Drop button, and you choose Select a File. Next, you enter the appropriate information in the Details panel and click on the Save button. The document is added to the Documents tab in the Person or the Company view for the customer. Shared documents are documents of any type that more than one CRM user may need quick access to on a daily basis. The system administrator makes shared documents available on the Shared Documents tab and sets each user's access rights so they can access any documents relevant to them. To view your shared documents, you select the Shared Documents tab. If you find it difficult to find the document you are looking for, you can filter the contents of the Shared Documents tab. For example, if you want to view only those shared documents that belong to the Sales category, you select Sales from the Category drop-down list. Then you click on the Filter button. Now, only those templates specifically designed for use by sales personnel are available to them. To open a document on the Shared Documents tab, you click on the hypertext link for the document and then click on the View attachment icon. If you want to add documents to the Shared Documents tab or to edit existing documents, you must have System Administrator or Information Manager rights. You can use the Sage CRM Mail Merge features to format and send quotations and orders to customers. For example, let's say a customer has requested a quotation for one of your services. First, you enter the details for the quotation in Sage CRM. When you have entered the details for the quote, you select the quote from the customer's Quote tab. To initiate the mail merge, you click on the Export to Word button. If the Merge with a Shared Template radio button is not already selected, you select it. Then you click the Create Communication checkbox. Now you click on the hypertext link for the appropriate shared template. The quotation details merge with the template and appear in Microsoft Word. You return to Sage CRM, enter a description in the Description field, and click on the Save button. A record of the quote is automatically recorded in the Documents tab and the Communications tab of both the recipient's and his company's context. Now let's say that the customer has agreed to the terms in the quotation and wishes to go ahead with an order. First, you open the quotation, and then you click on the Promote button. Now you click on the Save button. Then you click on the Send Order button. Now you click on the hypertext link for the Sales Order Template shared template. When the invoice is generated in Word, you save it. You type a description of the correspondence in the Description field and click on the Save button. A record of the invoice is automatically added to the Documents tab and the Communications tab.